Riley.
You pop it on her nose. Look at her nose. You get one on her nose? I'm trying. It's not easy. Ah! It's too easy. Too hard, rather. Too hard. I said we have to take tree pictures, but she's not going to fit in the tree anymore.
I know. We do have to take trees, but they have to wear something
Sydney.
cute.
Yeah.
Sydney, turn around.
Those are my and the rock pictures every year.
Yeah. They're not going to fit in the tree. We're going to have to hold them in.
Riley's glasses protects her eyes.
Say hi.
Right, like Sydney's, it hurts her eyes.
Well, a little bit, yeah, of course it does.
Sydney.
Sydney looks like she's praying to the bubble gods.
Pray to the bubble gods. Pray. Oh, they can you